most common cough syrups like NyQuil and Robitussin contain a toxic ingredient that tricks your brain to stop coughing. It doesn't soothe your throat or reduce inflammation in your body. It's literally poisoning your brain to tell you to stop coughing. This toxin, dextromethorphan, is found in many cough syrups. It works by acting as a cough suppressant, affecting the cough center in your brain. Dextromethorphan is a dissociative hallucinogen like ketamine and PCP and can lead to serious health risks. Neurological effects like confusion and dizziness, in extreme cases, seizures. Cardiovascular effects like tachycardia and hypertension. Gastrointestinal effects like nausea and vomiting. And psychological effects like agitation, anxiety, and even paranoia. And moms that are potentially using this on your children, you need to share this because we don't want our children exposed to this neurological toxin.